a simple guide for beginners. First, let's drag in the video where we want text to follow an object. Let's say we want our text to follow this cat's face. Go to the Text tab, add the default text overlay. Click on this plus sign. Now the text appears at the bottom, like this, for example. Let's move it over here. Now we need to stretch the text to cover the entire length of the video. We've stretched it out. How do we do tracking? For that, click on the Tracking tab. Here select Motion Tracking. Next, we're prompted to select in this square what will be tracked and what the text will follow. We'll choose the cat's eye. Next, click Start. The system begins calculating the position. See, it's already starting to work. It's all very simple and easy. Now let's wait for the process to finish and you'll see the result. Alright, the result should be ready now. So let's see what we've got on the big screen. Look, the text moves along with our cat's face. Very convenient and simple. You'll definitely be able to do it too. Thank you for your likes and subscriptions.